Let's take a look and test the ultimate cordless multi-tool from Ego. This multi-tool can cover all the essential garden jobs from tree pruning to lawn edging, all using the same 56-volt arc lithium battery which matches any petrol equivalent. To start with, let's check out the power head. It's equipped with a high efficiency brushless motor and weighing under just 3 kg, it's so easy to manoeuvre. Plus you get a comfy single shoulder strap. The power head supports all the available batteries, but we recommend the 5 amp, which is good because this product does come boxed with a 5 amp battery and a charger. Moving on to the attachments, we have the line trimmer. It has a 38cm cutting width, which you can quickly cut around trees and lawn borders. A nice feature about the Ego trimmer line is the rapid reload. Super easy and no faff having to dismantle the head. It also comes with a 3-tooth blade to handle any difficult undergrowth. Moving on to the hedge trimmer attachment. It's 51cm in length and has a 26mm tooth gap. The head can be articulated in 12 different set positions, so you can comfortably work at any angle you need. This attachment eliminates the need for a ladder or overreaching, plus it makes it super easy to store after use. Next up, we've got the pole pruner, coming with a reliable bar and super sharp chain, cutting through branches effortlessly, making easy work of a normally time-consuming job. Finally, we have the lawn edger attachment. It's 3mm thick with a 20cm cutting blade. The cutting depth is adjustable up to 75mm, so you can adjust it to whatever suits your lawn. It gives a professional finish as you follow the guideline and keeps you clean thanks to the aluminium guard. You can expand your collection of attachments from the Ego catalogue, including things like this defatcher and a snow shovel, plus many more. Ego also offers a 75cm extension shaft, so you can work even higher. So to shop this and more from Ego, visit momagic.co.uk.